Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cargo's channel. Welcome to another sunny day in the beautiful state of California. We are in my friend Kyle's garage driveway again. There is a W210 C-Class swapped with a M113 engine. That's his wagon. The M113 swap wagon manual with the OZ MAEs and a whole bunch of other cars, but we have the good old diesel there. We're gonna be replacing the side markers with the clear ones we got from USR Auto, and those tail lights look so good. And before we do that, we're first gonna put clear plastic paint protection film on the headlights so we keep them nice and fresh. First, what we did was clean the headlight with the invisible super cleaner. I'll link that down below, affiliate link. Then we have some Expel paint protection film from eBay, good stuff. And we're just gonna put some soapy water and see how it goes. All right. Okay, we're done with these. Took a while, tucked in some edges, didn't do a great job. Kyle there did a better job, but it's easier if you remove this little piece.
Try not to break it.
If you try not to break it.
Sorry.
Yeah, just two bolts, one here, and they're right there. I already stepped on them twice. So now let's take a look at the side markers. Depot brand from USR Auto right here. Let's see what they look like. Perfect, nice and clear. It's gonna go great with the headlights. All right, and USR were kind enough to provide bulbs as well, so that should go in and we should be fine. We'll do that right now. And so as Kyle is gonna kindly demonstrate,
Pull a hole right here, just kind of reach in, pop that out.
push your hand in. Simple.
Easy.
2 seconds. Now we're gonna swap the light bulb. Hopefully. One goes out, amber one goes in. And we have the side marker in. Oh no. Always remove the protection.
Yep, always. Stop. Put that in, twist it front first, if this fits properly.
Hopefully it does.
It's a little bit tight. Hopefully it doesn't break when I pop it in.
Just push it in, don't worry about it.
Just like that?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
It's not
See?
going anywhere.
Yeah. Alright, so let me do the other one and we can put the hood down and see how the car looks put together. And it looks so good. Look at that. The clear markers are in. The headlights have their paint protection film on. We'll probably need fogs, but we'll leave this for another day. And yeah, looks pretty good. What do you guys think about the side markers? Do you like them? Leave a comment down below if you do. If you don't, well, leave a comment down below. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and order a bunch of LED lights. We'll replace the light bulbs for the headlights, and maybe we'll get amber LEDs for the side markers, and all the rest of the stuff probably for the tail lights as well. Stay tuned for that. Best way, subscribe down below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Wow.